What's up, guys? So this is day 3 of me in Brazil, Gringo in Brazil. We're waiting for Jemana's friend. She's over there in the bathroom right now getting dressed and getting her stuff all ready and did and whatnot. But I guess we're just gonna stroll around Brazil and drive and I don't know, probably sightsee. So I don't know, so if you guys want to stay tuned, but here we go.
Tô contando a verdade. Yeah. I'm just joking. Just a feel.
Não conta.
It's like you're romantic sometimes.
Romantic?
Now it's danger come here at nighttime, but when I'm younger, no.
You wanna go down there?
We can go like another day, not today. It's dark already. But you can do it.
I'm okay. I'm okay about going down there.
What are you afraid of?
No, I'm straight.
Ele foi no quintal lá atrás de casa tentar pegar limão. Aí no que ele fez isso aqui, sabe
Hey, I thought. Hey, I thought we were going to the bar.
A boca dele branca, guria, e tremia. Meu Deus, rapaz. A Lati concordou lá.
So my wife brought me here. I guess it's a cliff. Because over here is where they do, I guess, parasailing. And way down there, they rent boards to go sandboarding.
Babe,
What?
are you hungry?
And now we're making our way down here because we were just over there. But they want to bring me down here. I don't know what to expect, you guys. I'm with Jemana's friend, her sister, and her boyfriend. Come on. We're all going down, right?
No, we're good here.
Why? Oh, you good?
Yeah. You can go.
Tá bom. They say tá bom. Tá bom, that means good. Okay.
Uh-huh. A gente vai aparecer.
What are you doing?
Vídeos internacionais. Famoso. Like I would be famous.
Ah, I'm getting bit. I'm gonna catch 9.
Stop, Mike. You're so dramatic.
You are.
Vai.
What?
Vocês.
Other night.
Ilya, let's go. Go. Gringo no meio do mato dá nisso, né?
Catch West Nile up in this motherfucker.
You're so gringo. Vai parar.
That's way better view, isn't it, guys? I'm gonna zoom in on this.
I did my exercise, baby.
Oh, that's nothing.
Oh, see? There? This green point over there?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go next?
And go way over there.
Yeah. Wait, let's take a picture. You can go.
Oh, we're walking? We're gonna walk all the way over there?
No, just kidding.
And here's another view. Look at that.
Nossa, fica aí, gente. Tá pegando seu rosadinho.
What's the matter?
Chegar as gurias e tirar a falca. Vai lá, né? Okay, let's go for the next point, baby.
All right, let's go.
As do Titanic tu não pegou desse celular, cara? Não, foi da máquina do Titanic. Ah, tá.
There we go, guys. We're gonna go somewhere else.
Titanic.
My sister drives like a maniac. And I'm assuming that's where we're gonna be going right there.
Eu nem ensinei ela, eu nem ensinei ela.
Ela tá com um
Igual eu sempre fazia curva na terceira, que eu sempre preguiça de trocar.
Ó, perderam uma meia aí na
Oh.
latada.
My bad.
My bad.
My bad.
My bad.
My bad. My bad.
Bad o quê?
Let's just stop talking and enjoy this view, everybody. Is this not crazy or what? I could just imagine flying my drone over this. And you guys, yes, that is something I will be doing before I leave here. Oh my God. And that, you guys, is where I'm gonna be doing some sandboarding. This is something I didn't show you guys on day 3. We were somewhere up there. I can't remember exactly where. Probably way up there. But this is the other side. Isn't that amazing? This view is crazy. I should have brought my drone.
Oh, no, stay there. I didn't push you yet. Baby, this is perfect place for the curlew.
I'm gonna zoom in over there for you guys. Check this out.
E as mitinhas, nós e as mitinhas.
I'm getting bit
Ai, papai.
by something.
Acertei. Não é foto, é vídeo.
Tirou. Falta as mitinhas.
Dois paparazzi, ai meu Deus!
Eu peguei.
And stay at?
Yeah, we also can stay if you want.
What, overnight?
They have a pool and I didn't take a picture in the parking. Over there.
She wants to hold my hand.
Are you
Romantic.
recording it? Oh my god.
I'm always recording, baby. Always recording. Oh, you guys, she's single. So if you guys are interested, leave a comment down below. Hey. Oh wow, look at this, you guys. And there's a dolphin. There's a dolphin in the water. You guys, I really need to get a new stabilizer. I have a pistol grip of a handle for this A6300 that I'm shooting with. But this place though, huh? Oh my God, this place is amazing, you guys. I just wish it was really nice out right now. Look at that water. That's amazing. This place is beautiful. I'm so glad I'm getting this on footage right now. The 3 ladies. Ladies. Which they don't even understand me. Besides Germana.
Ou a gente vai visitar.
Eu quero ver se eu venho tomar banho.
Uma turma do meu que eu quero mostrar.
Look at this, you guys.
Fone, tá?
I really, really hope that we can order.
Esquece, negócio de
Look
cima,
at
não pega
them.
minha papada.
Selfie. Wow, this place is amazing. I probably have said that like 3 times, maybe 4 times in the past couple minutes, but this is crazy. It's crazy. Well guys, that was day 3 of Gringo in Brazil. Pretty much us just chilling, hanging out, going and sightseeing I guess, and we went and chilled by the pool at a resort where Jemana and I took a picture by the pool, and you know, the 3 girls ended up doing some selfies and whatnot, and we ended up just chilling. You know, it was a good time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll get some aerial footage of that area that I ended up showing you guys. If I do, that'll be my next video. Hopefully tomorrow's a nice day, better than today. And until next time guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.